Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White, and welcome to my Best of 2017 episode. This is my second annual Best of episode I've released, because my first Best of episode proved to be rated pretty well, so I decided to release another Best of episode for 2017. And 2017 has been a very good year for Paul's Train Vlogs. He travelled to one of the smaller stations on the Dungog branch of the Hunter line, which is Minder Ripper. And Paul's Train Vlogs has never been south of Barradoo until recently. Went to Bundanoon and Exeter, and it was a lovely year for Paul's Train Vlogs. Paul been on an XPT to Maitland, and his first Explorer trip to Mossvale, and a return trip from Bundanoon as well, and also including a 10-second cameo appearance on Paul's Train Vlogs by Australia's current Prime Minister, Malcolm Turnbull. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed Paul's Train Vlogs Best of 2017. M33 is a front four cars. Feels strange seeing a Millennium train at Rudy Hill. Okay, M33 and friend, now departing platform number 3, St Mary's service. Internal Desto Reds, welcome aboard. This Millennium train will be stopping at Mount Druitt and following by St Mary's, where this train will terminate at St Mary's and proceed empty to its home base. M33 is a front 4 cars. Please stand by for the rear 4 cars. It should be M16.
So yeah, a couple of years ago, Sydney Terminal was changed to Central I. The I in the bracket stands for intercity or interurban. But yes, it used to be called Sydney Terminal, and I have a habit of still calling it that.
XP 2005 was a training power car. I wasn't able to capture the leading power car. We should have an empty train movement about to pass the up main, and good news is it's an S set. S69 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is S46. 2812 is a leading power car. N12 is now departing platform number 1, Campbelltown service. N12 will be stopping at Macarthur and Campbelltown only. K77 is the front 4 cars. Still has the stainless steel poles. this K set is K84. And it's not stopping. Whilst waiting on for the woes firing semi, there was K60 and K61 on its way to Leppington. And H54 and friend is now departing platform number 2 for a Springwood service, stopping at Valley Heights and following by Springwood. This is just a sad occasion, this. I'll take a good thumbnail photo here. And the rear forecast is H3. The first Oscar that entered service in 2006. I'll be able to film it when it returns. H46 front half. We have a H27. Next up being Helensburgh, then followed by Sutherland, Hurstville, Walleye Creek, Redfern, then Central. We have a Millennium train arriving on platform number 2 for a Macarthur via the airport service.
Screw that. Don't worry about that. That there doesn't...
Right, a 70 has just departed for a Leppington via Granville service. The front forecast this Millennium set should be...
It's M headlight. M24.
M24 is the front forecast. M24 and friend, now departing platform number 2, Macarthur via the airport service. Next up is St James, then followed by Museum, Central, Green Square, Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Walleye Creek, Riverwood, then all stations to Glenfield, followed by Macquarie Fields, then all stations to Campbelltown and Macarthur. The rear forecast should be M11. V43, front forecast, rear forecast V47, bound for Hamilton, Newcastle. Next up, Woy Woy. We should have a fee set back to pass platform number 1, Central Sydney Terminal service. V1 class leader. Next up, Hornsby, followed by Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Central Sydney Terminal. Another S set about to depart platform number 1 at Circular Quay. S105 is the front 4 cars and the rear 4 cars should be, let's click on there, S97. There goes SP33 on its way to the nation's capital. T80 is set, running off sector and a long way from home. T80 will be stopping at Coalcliff, then followed by Stanwell Park, Otford, Helensburgh and Waterfall. At Bundanoon, we have Endeavour set N3 bound for Goulburn. It'll stop at Penrose, followed by Ringello, Toulon, Maluen and Goulburn. Endeavour set N3. Here comes one number 4190, Carrot and Spud. One number 4190 led by PHC 001 Carrot and PHC 002 Spud. asset at the foot of the mountains. S46 is the front 4 cars. And the rear 4 cars is S146. Here she comes. And that was Waratah A61 bound for the city circle. We have some light engine movement, LDP 003. The USM set in service is in lead, M35. And the rear 4 cars charging by the carriage numbers M1, the oldest M set and the newest M set together. We have an S set pass on platform number 2. S56 front 4 cars. And the rear half is S61, whilst we have M7 and M25 returning to Leightonfield for a City Circle via Bankstown service. That was a nice surprise by Sydney Trains, putting on an S set on a Saturday afternoon.
First stop, Willowmore and Raven all.
At Beyond Station, we just had S69 and S12 departed platform number 1 for a City Circle via Bankstown service. Next up being Yagoona. G'day. That was one number 2 MB7 northbound freight. This is it! The final 2 MB7 LDP 009 and LDP 002. This is the ferry train that left Melbourne for the last time yesterday. And it's a very short one too. Whew! How fast 2017 has flown by. Whew. Felt a little bit hot after an action-packed 2017 worth of train spotting all the way north from Minden River, all the way down south towards Bundanoon. Whew. Very hot journey. Pass me a glass of water, please. Don't worry, I'll do it myself. Much better. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. And I will see you for the final episode of 2017 at Booragool, for Booragool part number 2. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.